For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete comparison of the reinforcement details which is related to the G+2 building model which is executed in M20 grade concrete as well as which is executed in M30 grade concrete, and steel grade was considered as FE 415 basic for one model and FE 500 grade for the another model. Okay, so yesterday I was updated a post which is related to the basic rules in building design in my website civilbasics123.com. You can search that article in my website. Okay, so don't search anything on the Google, just go to the HTTP page, go to search civilbasics123.com. Okay, so if you search civilbasics123.com, my website will be directly open here like this. So it will be consisting of the first two posts here. What are the basic rules for building design in structure? So you can select the first article. So the article will be open here like this, which is consisting of all detailed explanation which is related to the basic rules in beam design section, basic rules in column design section, and basic rules in slab design section, and basic rules in foundation design section with clear. Okay, so please follow my web civilbasics123.com. So basically grade of the concrete is also one of the most important factor that will affect the reinforcement details. Okay, so in this video I will explain you how the reinforcement details will be differ for the respected building structure which is executed in M20 grade concrete as well as the M30 grade concrete. Okay, basically the grade of the concrete will be consisting of M20, M25, 30, 40 and 50 etc. Okay, so the grade of the concrete is also important in building designing process. Okay, so basically for G+2 or low rise building structure we will use M20 or M15 grade of the concrete under consideration. For high rise structure and high rise building structures, basically we need to increase the strength of the concrete section. So that's why we need to increase the grade of the concrete from M20 grade to M30 grade or M40 grade or M50 grade concrete. Okay, under consideration. Okay, so initially I will show you the building model which was executed with M20 grade concrete for the G+2 structural model. Then I will show you the material properties which is related to the G+2 building model which is executed with M40 grade concrete. Okay, so click on the ETABS software here. So firstly I will show you the specifications for this building. So go to define option. So click on the material properties. So for this building I was taken M20 grade concrete and FE 415 grade steel. Click on cancel option. So go to define option, section properties, frame sections. For this building I was taken beam size 0.23 cross 0.35 and column size 0.35 cross 0.35. In the same process I will show you the slab section. So click on the slab thickness. So I was taken 125 mm. Okay, so I was already done my analysis process and designing process under considerations of dead loading condition as well as the live loading condition. In the same process I will show you the model which was executed with M40 grade concrete. So here I am selecting my ETABS. This is the M40 grade concrete. So now we can see grade of define option, material properties which is consisting of M40 grade concrete and FE 500 grade steel. Okay, so in the same process I will show you the section properties, frame sections, beam size is same, column size is same. Again the slab thickness is also same for the M40 grades concrete. So here we are changed the only the grade of the concrete as well as the grade of the steel. So FE 415 grade with the M20 grade is considered in first model, and second model will be consisting of FE 500 grade steel with M40 grade concrete. Okay, so now we have to execute the reinforcement details detailing for this respected two building structures. Okay, so initially we need to save this model. Control S option so that the model will be saved for the M40 grade concrete. So after that we have to save the model which is related to the M20 grade concrete. Okay, so that the model will be saved for the respected M20 grade concrete. Now we have to open the detailing 18 version software. So here I am selecting my ESI detailing 18 version. So click on the file option here, click on the new detailing option. So initially we need to select the model. So here I am selecting my desktop G+2 comparison which is consisting of M20 grade concrete 1 and M40 grade concrete 1 model. Okay, so here I am selecting initially M20 grade concrete so that the model will be directly imported to the CSI detailing through the ETABS software. Initially the model will be open in ETABS software, then after that it will directly imported to your respected CSI detailing. Now here the model was imported. So initially we need to set the units. Click on detailing units option. Select the units as kilonewton option. Click on OK. Select the preference option. So here I am selecting preferences as per the Indian standard system. Click on OK. So concrete detailing preferences. So initially I am selecting the beam as B section here. In the same process, just I'm selecting the column as C section here. Okay, so here I'm selecting the wall. Just I'm selecting the wall name is W section here. Click on OK option. Select the concrete display preferences. You can select as per your consideration. Rebar rules option here. So initially I'm selecting the cover which is related to the minimum spacing is 150 mm and maximum spacing is approximately 300. For the beam section also I am taking the same amount of the section properties, 150 minimum value and maximum value will be comes under 300. This is also 300 approximately. Okay, click on OK option. So again we have to select the column reinforcement section also. Click on the column option here. So here I am selecting minimum spacing will be of 150 and maximum spacing will be of 300. So click on OK option. So after that we have to click on the OK directly so that the structure will be detailed for the respected beam sections, column sections as well as the slab section reinforcement details. Okay. So this is the reinforcement details which is comes under M20 grade concrete. Now we have to design the structure under M40 grade concrete. So for that again I am selecting the CSI detailing version. So click on the file option, click on new model option. So in this again I am selecting M40 grade concrete, select M40 grade. So initially the model will be open in ETAP software, then again in the same process it will be imported to the CSI detailing version. So in the same process we have to execute the reinforcement details and selection of the preferences, detailing and display rebar rules for the respected M40 grade. Whatever the values that we are taken for M20 grade, we need to take the same amount of the values for the M40 grade also. Click on the OK option so that the model will be do the detailing for this respected M40 grade building. Okay, so initially I will show you the reinforcement details for the slab section under considerations of the M20 grade concrete. So here I am selecting my model which is related to the M20 grade. So firstly I will select the slab detailing option, schedules and tables. So it will be consisting of bill of materials as well as the rebar quantity. Okay, so for this respected section it will be required bill of the quantity materials here like this and rebar quantities here like this. In the same process I will explain you the M40 grade. Just I am selecting M40 grade, schedules and drawing, bill of materials. So this is the bill of materials and rebar quantities. Okay, so for this respected section it is required bill of material approximately the reinforcement values of your respected total rebar area weight is approximately 2197 kgs. Okay, again rebar per square feet is 6.779 kg per square meter. So for the respected M40 grade. So in the same process we have to see the bill of material for this. So now we can see for this respected section of M20 grade concrete it is getting around 2200 value, but while coming to the M40 grade concrete it is getting 2197. Okay, so this respected 3 kg was decreasing if you increase the slab reinforcement details concrete section grade from M20 grade concrete to M40 grade concrete. In the same process we will see the values which is there in rebar per area. So rebar per area is 6.790 here, again rebar per area is 6.779 here. Okay, now we can see it is decreasing by increasing the grade of the concrete. The reinforcement values which is there for the slab section is decreasing here. Okay, in the same process we will see the rebar ratio which is consisting of 54.3218. Again in the same process now we can see 54.2358, 3218 there and 2359 there. Okay, so this is the comparison between the slab reinforcement details for the M40 grade and M20 grade. So in the same process I will show you the beam reinforcement details. So firstly I will select the M20 grade concrete. So deselect this respected option. Beam section, concrete beams, framing plans. So this is the center diagram. So center diagram will be same for the both sections. And schedules and drawing, this is the schedules and drawing for the respected section. Elevation section, just I am selecting second floor. Simply just I am taking 4B1. Let us consider. So click on the section AA. So for this respected section AA, it is consisting of 4 bars of 14 mm diameter at the top reinforcement section and 2 bars of 14 mm diameter at the bottom reinforcement section. And stirrups will be consisting of 10 mm diameter bar with 79 mm center to center distance for the M20 grade concrete. Just I am selecting M40 grade concrete, beam detailing, concrete beams, elevation section, second floor, 4CB1. Just I am selecting here as section A. So for this respected section also it is getting same amount of the results. Okay, so if you increase the grade of the concrete from the first section to the M20 grade section to the M40 grade section, there is no change in the beam reinforcement details. Again it is getting 4 bars of 14 mm diameter and 2 bars of 14 mm diameter. Stirrups will be of 10 mm diameter bar with 79. Okay, so again I am selecting section B. Section B also consisting of 2 bars at the top, 2 bars at the bottom for the M40 grade. For the section B at the M20 grade it is getting 2 bars at the top, 2 bars at the bottom for the 14 grade. Okay, in the same process I will show you the column reinforcement details. So select the column detailing option. column detailing, select the elevations directly, C1 directly. Just I'm selecting the column section here. So for this respected section, now we can see it is getting around 12 number of the bars, which is consisting of approximately 16 mm diameter. Okay, so for the respected M20 grade concrete, again in the same process I am selecting the reinforcement details for the column. In the M40 grade, select the elevation C1. Just I am selecting the section AA. Okay, so for this respected section also it is getting same amount of the reinforcement values, which is consisting of 12 number of the bars, which is of 16 mm diameter section. Okay, so again in the same process you can see the bill of materials for the column section. Just I am selecting bill of materials for the M40 grade, and this is the bill of material for the M20 grade. So for the M20 grade it is getting approximately a 1470 quantity and 1470 quantity here same, and 413 here and 413 here same. Again in the same process 218.0236 and here also 218.036. okay, so in the same process we will see the bill of material quantity for the respected beam sections. Okay, so here I am selecting bill of material for the beam, so 0.966 for the M40 grade concrete. Again in the same process just I am selecting bill of material, so here also it is getting 0.966. so now we can see here it is getting same amount of the reinforcement details, bill of material for the both M20 grade concrete and M40 grade concrete. So from these results we can easily conclude that if you increase the grade of the concrete section, the reinforcement values for the respective slab section is decreasing. Okay, so when you're seeing the results which is related to the beam section reinforcement details and column section results reinforcement details, there is no effect on the reinforcement details in ETAP software under considerations of the gravitational loads for the G+2 building structural model. Okay, so if you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box, and please follow my website civilbasics123.com for more interesting updates. Thank you.